Business owners in the Nelson Mandela Bay Metro hold mixed views on the newly adjusted regulations imposed by President Cyril Ramaphosa last night. They say they're not clear whether they can trade with takeaways and open their businesses during weekends, while the tavern owners acknowledge that the move will impact on their income during the festive season. They believe reducing the infection rate is more important. The Nelson Mandela Bay and Sarah Baartman regions have recorded the highest infection cases over the past month. The metro continues to face an increase in coronavirus infections, which has claimed more than 40 lives there this past week. Our reporter Zolani Moya has more from Port Elizabeth.
Has not only become the hotspot, it is the epicenter of the coronavirus in South Africa, which has prompted Dr. Zweli Mkhize to visit the Nelson Mandela Bay together with Premier Oscar Mabuyane to try and find lasting solution to deal with this matter. However, compliance and nightlife has been identified as the main contributor, where residents of Nelson Mandela are roaming around the streets, not wearing their mask, failing to adhere to the rules and regulations of the COVID-19. However, the tavern owners have expressed mixed emotions, saying that this might have a negative impact on their business. But with me here, I have one of the tavern owners, Mr. Thozamile Fumbeza. Mr. Fumbeza, obviously you are running one of the biggest taverns in the Nelson Mandela Bay region. Just to reflect on your views on what the president has made last night.
On President's statement last night, I fully support the statement, and I'm just a bit disappointed with the fact that the president is still allowing us to have sit-ins in our taverns. Because according to our request, we requested that as taverners, can we please do a takeaways, because this COVID is killing our people. And our people does not want to listen when they are drunk in our taverns. So if it's takeaways only in our taverns, that will help every citizen of South Africa in this metro.
Not only that, but obviously there were serious concerns that were raised, by the municipal officials and the Department of Health, saying that you as tavern owners have a big role to play in terms of flattening the numbers. But when you roam around the township, particularly in the evenings, you then find people not wearing their mask. What are you guys doing about that to assist government?
It's difficult to deal with the number of people, more especially when you don't have the powers. That's why we were actually having a proposal on the restrictions that are coming with our government to more especially to the tavern owners, that please, people must not come to our places. They must just buy and go to the sitting at their homes.
Christmas is just around the corner. Are you guys not maybe concerned about this might have a negative impact on your businesses?
It is going to have an impact on our businesses, but people's lives are more important than making money. We can make money even in the next 5-10 years to come. But lives that we are losing now, it's not easy for us to get back those lives. So what is important here is to put on safety measures that will help every individual that lives in our country.
Second wave is looming if the numbers are not going down, because at the moment we have recorded just over 3,000 positive cases in the metro. What is your take on that?
As numbers that are going up, that worries me. That really worries me, and that need each and every individual that is in our township, because mostly this thing is in our township, where we don't wear masks, we don't do any social distance, we don't sanitize. It is worrying.
That was Mr. Fumbeza telling us that it's very fundamental and to assist government in terms of flattening the numbers down, because in South Africa this has taken South Africa by storm, and that it cannot be a business as usual. Well, that is what I have here for now in Port Elizabeth. It's back to you in Johannesburg.